In this tutorial, I will show how to make 3D floors, something like this, where you have two 3D floors on top of each other. Essentially, what you have to do is you have to build the game sector. You have to construct the sectors which are supposed to be the 3D floors, and you have to construct control sectors to specify the height of the 3D floors. So let's see how this is done. So let's make a new map. I make the map in UDMF, mainly because that's what I'm used to. So what we're doing is we're laying down the game area first. Any size will do. And then we construct the first sector for the 3D floor, and we'll specify a sector ID of 11. Again, any number could do, but 11 is easy to type, 11. Then we'll construct a control sector up here on top. And specify a floor height, let's say 100, and a ceiling height of 128. And we'll specify a line depth for the 3D floor special, which is 160. Oops, 160. There we go. We specify the sector tag, which is 11. Okay. And in preview, there is our 3D floor. So let's also put in a player start. It's very simple to overlay another sector. Well, let's copy this one here. And rotate it by 90 degrees. And then we'll put it in like this. And we have our 3D floor. So what do we have to do to stack another 3D floor up on top? So what we'll do is we'll copy the original floors, and we'll rotate it by 45 degrees. Okay, that's close enough. And we'll make another control sector. Specify a new height for the floor, let's say 300. And for the ceiling, 328. Then we'll set the line depth again to the 3D floor special 160, and we'll specify a new sector ID of 12. Now, of course, none of the sectors that we copied or included here has a sector ID of 12, so we'll have to make this. So highlight each new sector, and give it a sector tag of 12. Now in preview, of course, it doesn't look right because the sector section is missing. So what we'll have to do here is we have to highlight all those sectors here, and make sure that they have the proper sector IDs. So here is, this one is 11, so we'll add a new one, 112. And in preview, look at that. So something went wrong here. Now what would that be? Okay, so we'll have to do something about these here and specify again 11. And that is okay. Now, of course, these are the default textures, but we can change those easily enough. We'll make that one blue. And we make that front red. And then we can specify the surfaces for the 3D floor. Something like this. Copy and paste. Okay, and the same thing up here. Paste and paste. Well, there are our 3D floors. And of course, we want to preview it in Doom 2. And there we are. Thank you for watching, and happy constructing.